Hello, and thanks for watching. Today I've got a project within a project. We've got a woodworking project and a 3D modeling project. Two hobbies of mine that I'm trying to mix together and throw into a basic video here. See how it turns out. Alright, so I got some oak, maple, some poplar, more oak, more poplar. I'm going to separate it by putting these up on the wall for now. So I'm going to cut them, give them an angle, slight. I don't know, I'll probably put them up right there. Boom. Now that I've added my intro piece, it's time to get started on the project. Set this up at 4 degrees. There, yeah. So that way it'll rest a little bit high. And yeah. Now that I've cut those pieces off camera, we could go ahead and put them up against the wall, screw them in, and there we have it. All our pieces are nice and safe. Thanks for watching today's project within a project. This was fun. I learned quite a few things in Blender. Show you a couple images here. Here's the before, here's the after of the model that I was working with in the intro video that I did. Here's the before of the other with just the shelf and the added image. A lot of fun, and anyhow, hope to see you guys next time and have fun out there. Thanks.